Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet face mask adapter, and this is great for relieving the pressure off your ears with the straps of your mask. And I used medium worsted yarn and an H hook, and if you need to adjust this adapter to make it bigger, then you can add more chains, like a chain or two, or go up a hook size. The pattern is down below, and this is great for health workers or anybody that is working that has to wear a mask for a long time. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 12 with an H hook. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then you're going to use a stitch marker in that single crochet to keep track of that single crochet to go back to it when you go around. Then you're going to single crochet in each chain across until you get to the end. Now you're going to work 3 single crochet in the last chain. Now single crochet in each stitch across until you get to the stitch marker. You can weave in that tail as you go along as well. Now in the stitch marker, you're going to work 3 single crochet. Now you're going to place that stitch marker in that last single crochet so you can go back to it. Now single crochet until you get to the end of this row. Now work 3 single crochet in that middle stitch at the end, and then work a single crochet in each stitch until you get back to the stitch marker. Now slip stitch into that stitch marker and fasten off, and then you're going to weave in your ends. I'm going to just pull it through instead of doing a chain one because it looks better, and then I'm going to take my yarn needle, weave in the ends in the back, and then sew on some buttons. I'm going to sew on buttons on both ends, and the button is about 1 inch, and that's a great size for this. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's finished. If you need it to be longer, you can add some more chains. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and the pattern is down below.